Very morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 1 and Day 12. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have your Elga note, rule pencil, pen along with you. Great, my dear children. I will give you 3 seconds time. You have to get ready. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Let us move to our today's class in our phonics session. In our last class, we saw some words with O. Right? O. O-E, O sound. O-W as in O. O-U as in O. Do you remember this, my dear children? Yes. Today we will read words with O sounds by joining the sounds. Right? See the word, my dear children. See the first word. I don't know how to read this word, but I know that every word is made up of sounds. Let us see how to read the word by joining the letter sounds. See that? What is the beginning sound of this? T. T. Next one, it is not have a middle sound. So what is the end sound of this? O. O. Let us join all the sounds to read the word. T. O. T. O. T. O. To. 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 Let us see the next sentence. T. T. Beginning sound. T. R, middle sound, R, end sound, O. O. Let us join. Throw, 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 throw. Next, what is the beginning sound? P, P, middle sound, O, O, end sound, R. Let us join that. Pour, pour, pour. Pour. Once again. To. To. Throw. Throw. Pour. 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 Great, my dear children. My dear children, now we are going to read this vowel diagram. You also read along with me, okay? You don't have a book, no? That's why. To. O as in toe, toe, do, to, ho, ho, allow, allow, fo, fo, jo, jo, wo, wo, goes, goes. Next, O-W as in O digraph. O as in throw, throw, bowl, bowl, show, show, grow, grow, flow, flow, own, own, low, low, show, show. Next, O digraph. O as in pour, pour, for, for, coat, coat, shoulder, shoulder, soul, soul, boulder, boulder, fourth, fourth. Great, my dear children. You are going to read this, okay? Did you read along with me? Yes, I hope. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the whole word session. From this whole words, you are going to write a dictation. Some whole words. I'll give you 3 seconds time. You have to get ready for your dictation. Shall I start counting? Yes. 3, 2, 1, 0. Great, Kutima. I will say the word. Yes. Tried. 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 Yes. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next. Brought. 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 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next word. Suddenly. 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 Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next. Better. 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 Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next. Real. 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 Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next. Believes. 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 Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next. Truth. Truth. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next. Carefully. Carefully. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next. Thought. Thought. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great, my dear children. I hope you are all completed your dictation. I'll give you 20 seconds time. You have to check out your answers. If you make a mistake, no problem. You have to write 5 times which one you did wrong. Otherwise, you have to pause the video. Which one is wrong? You have to write 5 times. Okay? Great, Kutima. Next, let us move to the reading and listening comprehension session. Today, we are going to read the story, The Honest Woodcutter, independently. Now, I will read the story. You have to read along with me. Okay? That is independent reading. The Honest Woodcutter. Adapted from Panchatantra Tales. Illustrator Dhanasri Selvi. Once there lived a poor woodcutter. One day he was cutting wood near a river. Suddenly his axe fell down into the river. He tried hard but could not take his axe out of the deep river. Disappointed, he sat by the river. A fairy appeared from the water and offered help. She dived into the water and brought a silver axe. Is this yours? She asked. The woodcutter was surprised to see a silver axe. He thought for a minute, but he refused to take the silver axe. This is not mine, he said. The fairy was impressed by his honesty. So she tried to confuse him. She said, "Why don't you take the silver axe? You will be able to cut the wood better." But this is not my axe. I do not use anything that is not mine. Please help me find my axe, the woodcutter said. The fairy went into the water once more. This time she came out with a golden axe. Is this yours? She asked again. The woodcutter had a shine in his eyes. He kept looking at the golden axe. But he refused to take this one too. This is not mine, he said. The fairy was now sure about his honesty. She dived into the water one last time. She came out with an iron axe. Is this yours? She asked. The woodcutter smiled. Yes, this is my axe, the woodcutter said. The fairy was delighted to see that he did not take any other axe. She rewarded the woodcutter with other two axes. Did you read along with me, my dear children? Yes. Let us see the difficult word from this story. Disappointed. What is meaning by disappointed? When you fail to do something. Surprised. When something unexpected happens. Suddenly. When something happens very quickly. Suddenly means what? When something happens very quick. Honest. The one who speaks the truth. The one who speaks the truth. That is meaning by honest. Yeah, great, my dear children. Shall I ask some question from the story? Who is the character in the story? Yes, the woodcutter is the character in the story. What problem did he face? His axe fell into the water. What did he do to solve the problem? He tried to find out his axe, but the river was very deep. Was the problem solved? Yes, he got his axe back from the river. How was it solved? Great, a fairy helped him get his axe back, right? Do you understand, my dear children? Why you read the story? Just you have to find out that settings, story elements. After that, you have to predict that story, right? Great, my dear children. My dear children, now we will do one worksheet from the story related. See that? Read the story from SR 18 and answer the following questions. Who are the characters in the story? What happened to the woodcutter's axe? Why did he not take the silver axe? Did he get his axe back? What do you mean by the word impressed? Read the sentence and write what will happen next. These two worksheets we have to do now. I'll say the answers orally. You have to find out and write the answers. Okay. The character in the story are the woodcutter and a fairy. What happened to the woodcutter's axe? The woodcutter's axe fell into the river. Why did he not take the silver axe? He did not take the silver axe because it did not belong to him. Did he get his axe back? Yes, he got his axe back. What is the meaning of the word impressed? To be happy with someone. This one you are going to write the what will happen next. Okay? Yes, this is your homework. So great, my dear children. Let us move to the grammar section. Countable and uncountable nouns. Now you are going to write your rough note. Draw a tabular column for that. Countable and uncountable. You write your notebook. Countable and uncountable. I will give you 10 seconds time. You have to draw this tabular column. Great, my dear children. I will show you some words one by one. You will think if that word is a countable noun or uncountable noun. You will write the answer under the correct column. Okay? Yes. See this, I'll give you 2 minutes time. You have to identify the countable and uncountable nouns from the following list. Write your notebook. Yes, my dear children, now you have to check out the answers now. I hope you are all completed. Check your answers, my dear children. Countable, camel, dolls, pens, flour, shirt. Uncountable, jam, milk and water. Great, my dear. Now we are going to do this worksheet. Sort the underlined word by writing them in the correct column. Here are some sentences with some underlined nouns. Read the underlined words and think. If there are a countable noun means you have to write here. If there are a uncountable noun means you have to write down here. Okay, my dear children. I'll send this WhatsApp. Otherwise, you have to pause the video. Then you have to write down the answers. This is your homework, my dear children. For the example, chocolate is a countable noun. You have to write this, okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. Now let us move to the writing and speaking expression scale. You have to open your writing and speaking expression section in your notebook. Today you will think about one imaginary character and imaginary place. What you have to do? You have to think one imaginary character and one imaginary place. Next, a problem that the character faces. What steps that the character takes to solve the problem. How is the problem solved at the end? See this, my dear children. You have to use this tabular column. Just you have to think about the imaginary character, imaginary place, settings, right? Just you have to write about this settings, talking character, a problem, resolving a problem, a solution. Just you have to improve your thinking self, and also you have to write about this, right? Some more sentences. So are you clear, my dear children? What you have to do? You have to think about one imaginary character, one imaginary place, a problem that the character face. What steps does the character take to the solve problem? How is the problem solved at the end? You have to use that story elements, right? Great, my dear children. Let us recap today's class. Yes. In our phonics session, vowel diagrams O, right? We read that word. Next, whole words. I put a dictation. You did well. If you make a mistake, you have to write 5 times for that whole words. Then reading and listening comprehension session. You also read along with me that story, The Honest Woodcutter. After that, we saw some worksheet from that related story. In our grammar part, we learnt about countable and uncountable nouns. I gave homework from that. Then writing and speaking expression, you are going to think about a imaginary story, place, problem, how was that solved, a solution, right? You have to use the tabular column and write down that. Next, homework practice, my dear children. You have to read the story The Honest Woodcutter from your ESSA book. And also I will give two words, offered and honest. You have to make a sentence in your notebook. What is that sentence? See this homework. You have to use the words to make one sentence from this words. Okay, write your notebook and send it in our WhatsApp group. Thank you. Okay, my dear children, thank you for your cooperation. Bye. Happy learning.